Hello students, so MYP exams are over and I know that most of you are now pretty concerned how the transition is going to be from MYP to IBDP because IBDP toughness level is very high if you compare it to MYP. So in this particular video, we are basically going to focus on maths. So since you all are done with your MYP maths, so I hope all of your exam went pretty well and your grades will be out soon. So when you move to IBDP guys, so you're given four options to select maths from. So one is AISL, AIHL, AASL and AAHL. So in this particular video, we are going to get deeper and understand each of these like selections, like how you can select the best math and which fits your university requirement and which is going to decide your career. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss all of these things. So before that, my name is Ankit, guys. I am a IB, MYP and IBDP maths tutor for the past 14 years now. I'm based in Pune and I help MYP and IBDP students to get a straight 7 in their maths. And I also teach MYP physics, guys. So if you really want to ask any questions with me, you can connect with me on my Instagram. My Instagram is at the rate of your IB tutor. So I'm gonna put it here. I can also check the link of my link in my description, or you can also connect with me on my email ID. I'm going to mention my email ID also here on the screen and also on the description. So you can check that, guys. So every year I meet students who have selected AHL. Why? When I ask them, so they say that because their friends selected AHL, that's why they also selected AHL. And I meet a lot of students who select AISL because some people told them that this is the easiest of all four. So guys, please don't make this mistake because you need to understand your selection of the mathematics here in the IBDP is going to decide your entire career once your IBDP is over, because you need to understand certain university require certain math selection. Let's say a university require AHL or ASL and you have selected AISL, so you are not qualified to even apply to that university. So you have to keep that in mind. And there are certain streams which require certain type of mathematics. For example, if you want to get into engineering stream, so you will need AASL or AAHL. But if you have selected AISL and you want to get into engineering stream, then it's going to create a lot of problem for you and you might not be able to fulfill your engineering dream. So in this particular video, I'm going to explain you what exactly is AI and AA actually mean, and what is the difference between SL and HL courses, which math course is suitable for different career paths, and how your MYP grades can help you make the right decision, and most importantly, how to avoid making a choice that you won't regret later. So if you are a MYP student moving into DP or a parent trying to understand the options, this video will help you make an informed decision. So let's get started, guys. So before I explain you the career pathways, so let's understand the different pathways IBDP offer in mathematics. So IBDP maths, if I talk, so it provides you two types of mathematics. One is AI and another one is AA. So AI also has two streams. So one is SL, another one is HL. AA also has SL and AA has HL. So SL basically means standard level and HL means higher level. So I'll just write it here. So SL is a standard level and HL is higher level. So this now AI is basically applications and interpretations. So just and A is analysis and approaches. So that's how it gives you all four selections. So if you combine, so it will make AISL, AIHL, AASL, and AAHL. So these are the four combinations which you get for maths for your IBDP. So now let's get into each of them and let's understand which one will suit best for you. So here I have made a simple breakdown first for AA and AI. So in analysis and approaches, which is AA is designed for students who enjoy algebra, functions, calculus, and mathematical reasoning. And students in AA spend a lot of time solving mathematical problems and developing analytical thinking. Whereas in application interpretation, which is AI, focuses more on using maths in real world situations. So there is greater emphasis on statistics, modeling, technology, and interpreting data. So there is not lot of calculus in AI. And but if you take A, so there are going to be a lot of calculus. So calculus is going to be your major portions. Whereas if you come to AI, so your statistics and trigonometry and all are going to be your major portions. So this is one of the major differences first. So if you think that you are good in calculus, you like solving a lot of calculus, you can do your research. And then if you think that yeah, calculus is interesting for you, then you can choose AA. But if you think that calculus is not your cup of tea, then you should move to AI. And then we have SL and HL courses for both of them. So let's get started with AISL. So what I have seen is that most of the students think that AISL is the easiest of all. So I have seen maximum number of students choosing this AISL. So in this, here I'm going to explain you what exactly is AISL and why you should choose AISL and why you should not choose AISL. So in AISL, you're going to study topics like, you can see I have mentioned it over here: statistics, probability, functions, financial mathematics, trigonometry modeling. And the difference is that the course focuses more on practical application rather than deep mathematical theory. AISL is generally suitable for students who are interested in fields like business, marketing, humanities, art, hospitality, some psychology programs also. So students who enjoy interpreting information and solving practical problems often do well in AISL. If your MYP mathematics grade is typically around 4, 5 or 6 and you don't enjoy heavy algebra, then AISL may be a good option. So this is how you can choose. So another thing you need to understand the difference between SL and HL, guys, that in SL you will be having two papers, and in HL there is going to be three papers. So in SL there are going to be two paper, in HL there are going to be three paper. And in SL for both the papers your GDC will be allowed, the graphic display calculator. But in HL in one of the papers the GDC is not allowed. So you have to do that paper without GDC, whether you are AISL, AIHL or AAHL. Now let's get deeper into AIHL. So most of the students think that AIHL is easier than AASL and they choose AIHL. But that's not the case, guys. It is HL, so it is higher level. So it's not easy, but it's a different kind of like subject. So in this, basically, you need to understand that strong focus on the stats, probability, mathematical modeling, data analysis, technology-based mathematics. And AIH is particularly suitable for students interested in economics, data science, business analytics, social science, some computer science pathways. One thing I always tell my student is that AIHL is not easy. It's simply a different type of difficult. So you just need to keep one thing in mind. If you dislike algebra but enjoy data, statistics and interpretation, AIHL could be very good fit for you. So please keep all of these things in mind where when you are choosing your maths, guys. So that's why I'm making this particular video. So next here is AASL, guys. So let's discuss AASL. So please understand that this is probably the most balanced mathematics course in IB, and it includes algebra, functions, trigonometry, calculus, sequence series, and statistics. So students who enjoy solving mathematical problems but don't necessarily want to intensity of AHL often choose ASL. So ASL is commonly accepted for medicine, biological sciences, environmental sciences, some business program, and general STEM pathways. So if you are consistently achieving 5, 6, or 7 in MYP mathematics, you enjoy algebra, ASL is often an excellent choice. And AHL, if I explain you, so this is generally considered as most rigorous mathematics course offered in the IB. AHL is designed for students who generally enjoy mathematics. So calculus, functions, algebra, proof, mathematical reasoning is going to be there, and students considering mathematics, engineering, physics, quantitative economics, computer science, so to strongly consider AHL. But here is something very important, guys. Choosing AHL simply because you're good at maths is not enough. You must also be willing to dedicate the time consistently throughout the 2 years. AHL rewards students who enjoy challenging mathematical thinking. If mathematics feel like a burden, AHL can become very difficult very quickly. So it's not that easy, guys. Please understand. Even if you're very good at maths, please don't select AHL just on the basis of that. Please do your research, and the whole of the information which I have put it over here, I have also created a document for the same. So if you want that document, please let me know on my Instagram, right? In the Instagram, guys, my Instagram is at the rate of your IB tutor, and I will share that document with all of you. So I'm going to make one more part of this particular videos. In that part, we'll be discussing like how universities prefer different type of courses. And like I have also created a quiz for all of you. So on the basis of that quiz, you can easily decide which math suits the best for you. So just stay tuned for that video, guys. And if you are still till here, so thank you for all watching, guys. If you really like my channel, if you're really enjoying my content, please give a subscribe. Please give a subscribe to my channel, guys, and please like a video and leave your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to rectify it for all of you. And if you really want some serious help with me for your MYP or IBDP maths, don't forget to connect with me on my Instagram, guys. It's at the rate of your IB tutor. So I'm available there. You can connect with me there, and I'll try my best to like reply with all possible doubts for all of you. So I'll see you all in the part 2 of this video, guys. Bye bye.